Hello learner, welcome to day 1 demo exercise of Essentials, which is Make AI Your Muse. For this exercise, you need to know a little about the Jungle Book. So it's a very famous story written by Rudyard Kipling and based somewhere in the jungles in India. The hero of our story is Mowgli, who needs to defeat the tiger, which is Sher Khan. We are going to follow 3 steps. Our main objective is we use AI as a muse to remove a bottleneck. First step would be we describe the context to AI. Then second would be we define the bottleneck. And third is we review the output based on our bottleneck. The context here is Mowgli needs to defeat Sher Khan, and the answer was present already in the jungle. Sher Khan fears only one thing, which is the red flower. But Mowgli didn't know yet what the red flower was. So we first identify what the red flower was and then we proceed. One reflection for you. What is or are the red flowers in your workspace? So if Mowgli was a normal guy, he would go to AI and type something like, I am a boy in the jungle and I need to escape a tiger. So that's a generic query. Now AI would give some generic replies such as, stay calm and do not run. Running can trigger a tiger to chase. Face the tiger and back away slowly, and things like that. Some of these might work, but still it's not a foolproof plan. So next, Mowgli uses the bottleneck approach. He goes to AI and first gives the context about himself. He types, I am Mowgli from the Jungle Book, working on trying to defeat Sher Khan. Next, he defines the bottleneck. So my bottleneck is, all your replies are standard and generic, saying I should not be in the jungle. But I am in the jungle. All I know is Sher Khan is afraid of red flowers. So do you know what red flowers are? And based on this bottleneck, please suggest me highest leverage actions I can take. So this time, AI comes up with a plan. It says that red flower means the fire. So Mowgli learns that red flower means the fire, hence Sher Khan is afraid of fire. Then he brings fire from the human village to the jungle. Then Mowgli uses the fire and a burning branch to frighten Sher Khan. The result is Sher Khan retreats. So Mowgli wins the first battle, which is the psychological battle here. Later, Mowgli joins someone from the jungle to trap Sher Khan. Then they all drive Sher Khan into a ravine. Then Mowgli drives a herd of bull from both sides. And the result is the ultimate defeat of Sher Khan. So, did you feel the difference? How generic reply only focused on the answer based on the surface problem, and it clearly missed the bottleneck. And the results, those were helpful in general, but not very specific to Mowgli's case. But when Mowgli used Muse approach, the focus was to solve the real bottleneck. And the key insight that came out was red flower means fire, and Sher Khan is afraid of fire. So based on that, Mowgli got the highest leverage actions to take, and result was the win for Mowgli. So I hope you learned something from this exercise, and please do try the prompt which is present already on the app for something that you're facing in your workplace. Thank you.